I'm gonna teach you guys how to make my go-to banana bread recipe. It is foolproof, so easy to make, and so good. I tried finding the perfect banana recipe for years. When I tried doing them, they just wouldn't turn out right, or they were just really complicated. This recipe is so easy, and it turns out perfect every single time. First, preheat the oven to 350. Prep the bread pan with some cooking spray and then parchment paper. And then you want to mix together your flour, baking soda, salt, cinnamon into a bowl and set it aside. In this recipe, I'm going to use a hand mixer instead of a standing mixer because I can control it better, and you don't want to over whip the flour or else it'll get tough. In a bowl, you want to add your 1 cup dark brown sugar, your 1/3 cup of sour cream. You can also use Greek yogurt if you don't have sour cream. And then you also want to add 4 tablespoons of butter. But this is a tip for you. You want the butter to be room temperature. This one it's cold still. Yes, I can mold it with my hand, but it's still too cold. If you use it, it's going to make clumps in your batter and it won't turn out as good. So make sure to use room temperature butter. And I also recommend getting really high quality butter. It just tastes better. The ones at Costco, I do the grass-fed Kirkland New Zealand butter at Costco. And if you're going to eat butter, might as well get the good stuff. And then you also want to add your 2 large eggs. Get a spatula and then your hand mixer and just scrape down the sides. Okay, so this is good to go. And then we're gonna add the dry ingredients into the batter and mix on low speed until just combined. This is just combined, there's no more flour in it, so this should be good to go. Now we're going to add the mashed up ripe bananas. I had 3 of them, sometimes you can use 4, but you only need like 1.5 cups of bananas. And this batter already is so good. Mix in the bananas again until just combined. Now you want to fold in 1/2 cup of bittersweet chocolate chips. Get the good stuff. I use Ghirardelli. It's crazy when you taste this compared to like Nestle, it's just significantly less waxy. And make sure to not let this sit, because if you let it sit, the bananas will start to separate from the batter. So you want to put it in the pan right away and cook it. Pour the batter in the pan. We were going to bake this for 60 to 65 minutes. Always start with 60 and then you can go down from there. Okay, so the bread timer is gone off. So it's nice and browned. I think it's done. It smells done. Oh yeah. Okay, so it came out clean. Wait for it to cool down and then you can cut it open. It's gonna be so good. Yeah, it tastes so good. I've tried so many banana bread recipes and it's like weird. You have to melt the butter and put the butter in while it's mixing. No, this is just so simple, easy ingredients, and it turns out perfect every single time. Oh, I love it. I will put the recipe in the description and subscribe if you haven't already and let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.